Okay, good afternoon students and welcome to our today's virtual class. Today we are having the same chapter that is named as physical education, test and measurement in sports, and we are continuing with the same test, that is rikli and Jones senior citizen fitness test. But today we are going to start our test item number 4 of rikli and Jones senior citizen fitness test. In previous virtual class, we have go through from the arm curl up test for measuring the flexibility or the strength of the upper body part of senior citizen. So, come to our today's test named as back scratch test for upper body flexibility. Back scratch like this for upper body flexibility. Aim for this particular test item number 4, that is the back scratch measures flexibility of your upper body. Upper body's flexibility affects your ability to reach for items that may be high on a shelf, change a light bulb, or do any activity that requires arm and or shoulder movement. Maintaining flexibility in your upper body will assist you in continuing to live independently. The basic aim of this particular test item number 4, that is known as back scratch test for upper body flexibility, that the normal flexibility of the upper body is very much required in day-to-day activities, and if the person is not able to maintaining the minimum level of flexibility, especially in upper body, then he or she may be facing a kind of lots of problems to live independently. This is the aim of this particular test item number 4. Equipment we just require a simple ruler, a scale to conduct this particular test. Now come to the procedure. Procedure is very simple. Place your left arm straight up in the air above your left shoulder like this. This is your left arm. Just put this particular arm straight up in the air from your shoulder. Bend your left arm at the elbow to reach towards your back. First of all, just raise your arm in the air and now bend your arm from the elbow to reach to the back side of your body. With your finger extended, your elbow pointed towards the ceiling. Like this. This elbow part is pointed towards the ceiling, and these particular fingertips must be placed like this on your back. Reach up as far as possible and attempt to touch the fingers of your two hands together. First hand is over here, second hand is over here. This is the position of back scratch test. Some people are not able to touch at all, while other fingers may be overlapped. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं, those who are not able to touch their fingertips, and some are there, those fingertips are overlapping to each other. Take 2 practice stretches with each arm, determining which arm is more flexible. जो भी sample है, to conduct 2 practices stretches with each arm. First of all, left is in this position, right is in this position, and in the next attempt, right will be here and left will be here. Clear? And to determining which arm is more flexible, you will be measuring and recording only your most flexible side. Now you are able to measuring or recording the more flexible side. You are now ready to be measured after attaining this particular position. In this particular position, now the sample is ready to be measured. Perform the stretch as outlined above without shifting your hands. While you are attaining this particular position, don't shift your hands. Perform the stretches as outlined above without shifting your hands. Your test partner will be position your fingers so that they are pointing towards each other. Now, if there is a problem or senior citizen is not able to hold this particular position for a longer duration, for 5 or 6 seconds, so there is a test partner with you who is just pointing or just hold your fingers towards each other. So this is the procedure of this back scratch test for upper body flexibility. Now come to the scoring. Scoring is very simple. If the fingers are not touching, the score will be negative. If the fingers are not touching, for example, there is a gap between this tip to this tip. The distance between this tip to this tip, that measured in centimeters or inches or centimeters, and that distance must be kept in negative score. If the fingers are overlapped, the distance or overlapping in inches or centimeters as positive. For example, if someone's finger are overlapping each other, so from here to here, the distance which is overlapping, or we can say the जो overlap हुआ distance है, that should be measured in inches or centimeter, and that score must be kept in positive. Clear? And the last and the most important, and if the fingertips are not just touching, then scoring is 0. अगर सिर्फ fingertips से touch होने हैं, just touch, then the score will be awarded as 0. Clear? So this is, students, your test item number 4 of Rikli and Jones Senior Citizen Fitness Test, and the name of this particular test item number 4 is back scratch test for upper body flexibility. Clear? Thank you.